Hey guys, this is the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Buds. It's in the Aura Glow color, as you can see. They're $129.99. They're tuned by AKG. Let's open them up. Got my trusty knife, Swiss Army knife, camouflage. Gotta have it. Arr. Alright, here we go. Let's open them up. Alright, let's take a look, see what we got in here. Got the usual stuff. Quick start guide, Samsung Galaxy Bud information, safety and information. Alright, we're gonna get rid of that. We don't need that. So what comes in the box? These nice. Wow. Wow, that's beautiful. Heavy. These are the AirPods. They feel just as heavy. By the way, I colored these myself. Here they are. Let's take a look what else is in here. Alright, so you have the charging cable, USB-C, which is good. I don't really care either ways, but you know, that's there. That's a plus. New technology. What else? You got the wing tips in here. That's a lot. A lot of wing tips right here. And earpiece. Change them up if you need to. Earpiece right here. So basic. Not much in there. Let's take a look at the buds. Alright. You got the light over here. Charging. Alright. USB-C. It's a really nice color. It's a silver. Or a silver, I would say. This is. Tuned by AKG. Samsung Buds. Let's open them up. Wow. These are beautiful. Look at them. They shine. Yeah, these look nice. I don't know what they sound like yet, but we're gonna figure them out. I'm gonna go to the gym a little bit later. We're gonna figure it out. Get back to you guys on that. But they look really nice. Here they are. These tips can be changed if you need to adjust. You got the left and right. You got the prongs to charge it in there. There's two of them. A little bit different from the AirPods. The AirPods have them all the way in. These are actually, you're able to touch them basically. There's a mic in here. And then there's a mic on the outside of it. And these are all touch buttons right here. So you can control the volume up and down. And I actually want to use this with my iPhone Max. And I ordered the new iPhone 11 Pro Max, whatever it's called, in black. So I'll be doing an unboxing of that later on. I get that on the 16th. They're on pre-order. So we'll see. But these are beautiful. Here they are. Galaxy Buds. And Aura Silver, I guess that's the color. But they look like a silver. They're not a white. And most people don't have this color, so that's why I got this color. And I think this looks better than the white ones. The black ones look a little too cheap, so I didn't get those. This is actually really nice. I feel about the same. People, I watched some videos online. People are saying how these are a little bit bulkier. They're not bulkier. They're about the same. Yeah, they're a little bit longer because they're pill shaped, but It's not that much difference. Look at it. All right, guys. These are, I like these so far. I'm gonna try them out, let you guys know how it goes. I'm sure they're good. And for 130 bucks, you can't go wrong. And I think they look better than the AirPods, just by the look of it. Now, I'm an Apple guy, but I still think these look better than the Apple AirPods. All right, guys, that's it for the unboxing. Take it easy.